Oh. Hey guys, Littlest Luna here. Today we've got the snack crate, which I'm super excited about. I feel like I say that every video. So the snack crate gives you snacks and treats from around the world. I've got the original snack crate box with an added drink because I wanted to try as much as I could. So the snack crate itself for the original snack crate is $39.99 Canadian. The drink itself is $7.99, so it works out to like $47.98 a month. And then they also have a couple of other tiers. They've got $19.99 mini snack crate, and then they've got the family snack crate, which is $69.99. Alright, so let's dive right in and see what we've got. I made a mess of this trying to get the packing label off and realized I could just scribble it out. So, my bad. Oh my goodness, these are from Japan! So, first of all, this is Snack Crate Japan. This is the one that's going to tell us what everything is in here. Oh, okay, this is really cool. This is just about Japan. Located in the Pacific Ocean, Japan consists of a cluster of nearly 7,000 islands. The small but mighty nation is home to 126 million people and spans a total of 145,914 square miles. Established in 539 AD, Japan has a rich history that has influenced cultures around the world for thousands of years. The landscape of Japan is an oasis for adventure seekers. From lakes and mountains to busy cityscapes, this country has it all. Visit the mysterious floating torii gate on the island of... Oh no. I am so sorry. Itsukushima one day, and then head up north for a day of skiing at Mount Asahi Dake? I'm so sorry if I mispronounced that. The next day. There is never a dull moment within the borders of Japan, especially when you add their diverse cuisine to the mix. Treat your palate to a plate of traditional sushi or break out of your comfort zone with taco, octopus, or fugu, poisonous pufferfish. The cultural phenomenons don't end here. Japan's capital, Tokyo, is one of the fashion capitals of the world. Renowned designers such as Kenzo and Rei Kawakubo, I am so sorry, found their roots in this lively city. Alongside fashion, Tokyo is a hub for late night and open air markets where you can buy the freshest seafood, ramen, and produce in the world. Oh, you can listen to a playlist of their favorite Japanese music. Oh, that's so cool. Okay, if anybody wants to, you know what? I'll put a link in the description. Fun facts. Geisha in Japanese means person of the arts. The first geishas were actually men called taikomochi, and they had a role similar to that of Western court jesters. Oh, that's cool. Japan is home to 110 active volcanoes, of which 47 are closely monitored by scientists every day. Even though Japan was established in 539 AD, its history can be traced back to almost 35,000 BCE. Sake, a Japanese rice wine, can be served either warm, chilled, or at room temperature. Japan is the last country in the world to have an active emperor. The role is mostly symbolic these days, however they are still a big part of Japanese tradition. In Japan, slurping your noodles is a sign of appreciation and delight, so when eating soba, udon, or ramen, remember to let those babies slide. Oh my goodness, that is so cool! Hashtag itadakimasu. I know I probably pronounced that wrong. Okay, this is the one that tells us what's in it. We're not gonna look at that one. Shove that in there. Okay, and it's got this beautiful paper here with a pretty sticker. Oh, I don't want to break it. I have to get to the snacks. Okay. I'm so excited, you guys. I've always wanted to do a snack crate, and I've always wanted to do Japanese snacks. So this is like the perfect combination. Are these taco flavored things? Don Tacos Chili Tacos. Oh goodness. Okay. It smells... Oh, I can't even describe that. Oh, it smells really good though. It looks like a Dorito. Okay. Oh my goodness. Mmm. Oh my god, where have you been all my life? Okay, those are amazing. It's like, it tastes like a taco. Have I ever mentioned that like Mexican food is my favorite? Okay, that's amazing. Okay, let's see what's next. Ooh, a sour gummy. Oh, it's so cute, it's little turtle. Ooh, it looks like it's one of those like drink tote things. What that one said. Sours and Ramune? We'll figure out what everything's actually called afterwards. Oh. Oh. Oh my god, they're little turtles. Oh, look at the detail on there. Oh my goodness, that's so cute. Okay. It's very firm gummy. I don't recognize the flavor. It's not a bad flavor, but like I can't pinpoint what that flavor is. Very interesting. Is this what our drink is? Oh my goodness. Are we supposed to freeze this? Frozen Coke lemon. Oh my goodness, I think we're supposed to freeze this. Okay, what else do we have? I love the little characters and stuff they put on this. Like, it's so cute. Oh. Kumamoto watermelon gummy. Okay. The gummy. My tummy's gonna hate me later because I usually don't eat gummies. It's a cute little round disc. Oh, it's softer. Kind of. I think it's got like a very subtle watermelon-y taste. I think it has like an air pocket inside. I don't think it has any filling. Very nice. Yeah, it's just got like a little bit of an air pocket inside. It's interesting. Very tasty. A Kitkat bar! Oh my goodness! What kind of Kitkat? Have a break, have a Kitkat. It doesn't say what kind of Kitkat. Oh, I think it's a matcha Kitkat. I've wanted to try one of these forever. my goodness. Oh, that is the best thing ever. Mmm. 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 Mmm, God, that is so good. Oh, it's so light. Oh my God, and that matcha flavor. Oh. Oh my God. Oh, that is so good. Oh my goodness, you guys. Oh, I wish I could share with you through here. Like, okay, what have we got next here? What on earth is this? It doesn't tell me anything about this one. Okay. Let's dive into it. What on earth? Okay. It's almost the consistency of a Cheeto, but like fluffier. It's like a fluffier Cheeto. And it's almost got like a little bit of a kick to it, whereas like a Cheeto doesn't. Cheeto's just super cheesy, but that's almost got like a little bit of like a, I want to say chili, but it's not like a chili kick. It's almost, oh, I don't even know. I don't even know, guys. Oh my God, it's so good. What is this? Oh, I have no idea. Oh, everything in here is so good though. I'm so excited. Look at that. I have no idea what this is. It's almost like another puff pastry type thing. I have no idea. I think it might be wrapped in seaweed. That might be the taste I'm getting. But I could be totally off there. I'm very excited to find out what that is. Oh, we've got another 2 of these. I wonder if they're all the same. I don't want to open them in case they are. I'll find out if they are all the same. Oh my goodness, there's still so much stuff in here, guys. Okay, we've got a pink Kitkat this time. This is gonna be a strawberry one. Wrapping is so hard to open. I think it might be raspberry. Oh my goodness, those are incredible. Oh. What are these choco balls? No additional information. Oh. Oh my God, they smell so good. I might have broken it. Oh, oh, or maybe not. There we go, okay. Chocolate shaped thing. Shaped chocolate thing? Oh my goodness, I think that's peanut in there. Oh yeah, okay. It's like a candy coating with a peanut inside. Oh my goodness. Can you guys hear that crunch? been seeing these every time I open it, and I have to pull them out. Pretzel sticks, tomato flavored? What? Oh no. Oh, okay. Hold up. We're supposed to... That's what we're going with. Tomato flavored pretzels. Oh my god, they smell like pizza. Heck yeah. Those are good. Yep. I was hesitant because of the tomato flavor. But yeah, they taste like pizza. We're down to our last few items here. Oh no. Oh wait, no, we're good. Okay, I thought it was wasabi. That's the one thing I'm worried about finding in here, is something wasabi flavored. But it's not. We're good. Kratz. Kratz edamame. Oh, I do love edamame. Oh. There we go. Edamame. Oh, it's super hard. That's... Oh, it's... Oh, that's really salty. Okay, yep, it's, very salty. I don't know if I personally would choose these, but, oh, there's the edamame flavor. You can get the edamame flavor afterwards. Very interesting. Not complaining. Very interesting. I'll have to reserve judgment on those. What on earth are these? Super sour flavor. Oh heck. Oh heck, they smell super flour. Super flour. Super sour. Sour's already messing with my mind. I hope it's not gum. I think it might be gum. Maybe not. Maybe. You know what? The more I'm chewing, the more I'm thinking it's gum. I don't know if that's super sour though. I was expecting like Warhead sour. But it's kind of more like a lightly dusted Sour Patch Kid sour. Hi Chews! I love Hi Chews. I think these are gonna be grape flavored. Let's find out. I don't know if I've ever had grape Hi Chew before. Hi Chews are the best. See, I'm usually want to get mango Hi Chews, but grape are good too. One item left. The DIY candy apple. And now we stabby. beautiful candied apple. Mmm. Very tasty. Okay, so you are supposed to freeze this, but I'm not going to, because I want to try it. Ooh, it's so nice. I will definitely throw it in the freezer and have it later. This is so cool. Okay, so we have the watermelon gummies. These sweet and juicy flavors of watermelon reinforced into gummy form. This summer snack has a luscious texture that pretty much melts in your mouth. The Pretz ripe tomato. These slightly salty but always crunchy biscuit sticks are bursting with fresh and savor flavoring of ripe tomatoes. Yes, they are. Kratz Edamame. These crunchy nuggets have a salty soybean flavor mixed perfectly with just the right amount of roasted almonds. Best served with a frosty beverage. Ah, okay. Choco Ball Peanut, which are these guys. These delightful chocolate-covered peanuts have become one of the most iconic candies in Japan. They are just as much fun to play with as they are to eat. Okay. Oh, the Yokoi Kin Fugashi. This traditional snack stick is made of fried wheat and coated with brown sugar. Okay. While the outside has a crunchy texture, the inside remains fluffy surprise. Oh, interesting. Monster gum, yes, okay. These tiny gumballs are jam-packed with flavor. Beware, one of the 3 pieces has been spiked with an intense... Oh. Only one has this. Only one of them is super sour. Gotcha. Ooh! We can learn how to make dorayakis. Let me know in the comments if you guys want me to try making that. Which I believe is what this is. Okay, Haichu grape. Known for having the perfect balance of fruitiness, juiciness, and creaminess, this popular item quickly became the best-selling candy in Japan. Let's make it! Candy apple. This interactive treat has everything you need to create your very own gummy version of the ever-popular candied apple. Umaiko, which would be these. Ah, yes. Okay, so all 3 of those are the same. This delicious stick is a puffed corn snack with the perfect amount of crunch, available in many flavors. We've included a few of our favorites for you to try. Okay, so there are different flavors. Kaimakame Sours. This inspired by the delicious Japanese ramen. I know I said that wrong. I'm so sorry. This hard but chewy gummy candy has a delightfully punchy sourness followed by a fizzy sweetness. Oh, I didn't get a fizziness to it. Interesting. I wonder if I was chewing it too much. The Koike Yadon tacos. A Japanese spin on a Mexican cuisine. These crunchy corn tortilla chips have a unique tangy and savory flavor. Mini Kitkat, unlike their US counterpart, Kitkats in Japan are offered in over 300 unique flavors. We've included a sampling of our favorites. But it doesn't tell me which ones they are. Gosh darn it. This was awesome. I am super happy with Snack Crate. I'm super excited for the next one. I know it is in exporting right now. It's a Christmas special one. Fingers crossed that it is also amazing and awesome. I hope everybody is having a fantabulous day, a fantabulous week, and a fantabulous life. I will see you all in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and ring that bell notification for notifications. You guys know what I'm talking about. You got it. Bye!